case you guys are wondering, that is my happy face. So here we are on another job. Gonna do some shooting lanes here to the back side of this stand and to the right of it a little bit. And then we're gonna do some clearing back here. This is a food plot that they put in, and then they wanted me to come out and make some shooting lanes for them because they realized how much work that was. So anyways, I'm gonna come in here, and in the back here there's just a bunch of little trees and just undergrowth that just basically needs to be knocked down and moved out of the way so they can get a clear shooting down in through here. None of which the Ventrac is going to have a hard time dealing with. These logs will get pushed out of the way with the power bucket that I have on there. And they're pretty rotten. I could almost run most of them over anyway and mulch them. So yeah, as you can see, nothing too crazy out here. Certainly a pretty easy job for the Ventrac to take care of. There's a nice licking branch there. Didn't give you much time, but they were really pawing at that spot. So it's a highly active area for deer. This is just the beginning of November. The latest I'll go into November is about a week, that first week in November, and then I don't work in the woods anymore. Just because of deer hunting purposes and such. Unless, obviously, someone doesn't care about that, and they still want me on their property, I'll do it. But for the most part, yeah, I stay out of the woods. It's kind of a three-parter. There's that stand that's got to be worked on. There's that patch behind us, and then there's a bow stand that I have to cut as well. Cut some lanes in and do some mowing. That's not going to take long. So just kind of, I threw that in just kind of as a thanks for hiring me thing. So that's where we're going to start. We're going to knock that out first, and then we're going to come back here. This is probably going to end up being a several part series. Going to try and keep it in the 10-minute to 15-minute range per video. The algorithm likes that, so it forces me to do that. So it's going to be, this will be a parter, getting you guys mounted up here, and we're going to get going. And please like, subscribe, and enjoy the show. Oh, and in case I forgot to mention, yes, that is the Ventrac 4500Y, which is the diesel version. I have the HQ 680 Tough Cut on the front of that, which is the non-hydraulic, plain, just, you know, old school, if you want to call it that, one. And the power bucket on the back without the grapple. I do have the grapple, I just didn't put it on for this job because it wasn't going to be grappling as much as I was just going to be pushing. So yeah, enjoy everybody. So here we are at the second job site. Just pointing it out here. Yeah, gonna cut this back up to those trees. That's a bunch of briars and stuff. Sorry about the lighting. It was early morning. It was a gorgeous morning, but the sun just happened to be coming in just right here. And just gonna push some of this back a little bit. I didn't want to take all of it out because they have a deer stand here, and I didn't want them to lose their cover. So there's a trail back there that the deer take that I'll run the Ventrac through and widen it and push back all the brush. Yeah, here it is, walking up to it right underneath where that kind of, yeah, and the deer stand, you can't hardly see it, it's back in there. But yeah, just clear some of this out so they can get some clear shooting lanes both on this trail and then on this trail to the right. So yeah, get you guys mounted. Oh, and I found it to be far more beneficial to do the narration after the fact for me, just because I can't get my mic that I have to connect. So this just works out so much better. So this is probably what I'll do for a lot of my videos here, if I'm going to be mowing and stuff, until I get a different camera. But for now, this will be it. So thanks for watching, and please enjoy.